Siri, find a good chef near me. What, dude? The hell?
How you doing? I Chef CHILIA, you hired me. 5-star chef.
Oh, you?
What you want? You want breakfast? You want cereal? I make the best cereal. I make 5-star cereal. 5-star cereal.
Let me see it.
5-star cereal?
Yeah.
Hey!
Yo,
cereal.
My man, you good?
What's going on?
I just want some cereal, bro.
You want cereal?
Yeah.
I help you. I like how you put the clip on there. Keeps it fresh. Keeps it fresh. I'm Chef CHILIA. I make the best cereal.
Yo.
That is what?
Yo.
It's okay to ask flavor, ask texture, you'll be okay? Alright. What else do you need? Oh, we need the big leche. We need leche. Calm down, calm down. I got you.
Hey, my man. Almond milk.
Almond milk? I got it.
I don't fuck with calcium.
Got you.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
I got, don't worry. I got you.
Yes, Lord.
You need a spoon? I got you, my friend. I got you.
Hurry up, bro. Come get some motherfucker, dog.
Right there, my friend. Right there. Try it. Try it. Try it. Give me your best review.
See what that shit talking
Do
about.
not pull up any punches, please. Please, please. Don't pull any punches. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, please.
Punches?
Chef CHILIA, just be honest with me. What do you think? Take a bite.
Let me see what the shit talking about.
Take a bite. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. How does it taste? How does it taste?
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, I can make it better.
No,
I can
bro.
make it so much
That's
better.
good,
No, I make it better for you. I make it better for you.
No,
Let go. I make it better for you. I make better.
Bro, that's good, bro.
I make better.
It's good, bro. It's
You need
good.
the spice in your life.
No.
You need spice in your life. You need spice in your life.
No.
Spice in your life. Spice in life. Spice in life. Yes, yes, it's so much better with spice. So much better with spice.
Let me see what it's talking about.
So much better with
Let me
spice.
see what's... Bro, you
Yes.
really put hot sauce on my cereal.
What? Wait, you have to try. So much better with spice. So much better with spice. Yes. You try it. Yes. It's good. It's good.
No.
It's good. Yes, that's good. That's why I got a hat. That's why I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yes. Try it.
No.
Try another bite. No.
It's got bad aftertaste, bro.
It's bad.
Yeah, it don't taste good.
Bad spice. Spice don't make it bad.
Not good, bro.
Okay.
Not good, bro.
It is almost lunchtime anyway. I can make you a better sandwich
Right,
at lunchtime. I will help you out with
You gotta
lunch.
clean this up, man.
I clean it up. I'm sorry.
Chef
I'm
CHILIA,
a 5-star chef. I'm Chef CHILIA.
Chef CHILIA, you gotta clean
I am Chef CHILIA.
You put
I will
hot
clean it up.
You put hot
I
sauce.
will make a better dish next time.
Bro, you put hot sauce.
I promise you this. I make a better chef next time. I make a better dish next time.
Alright, but you put hot sauce.
I'm sorry.
You put hot
I am a 5-star. 5-star. 5-star.
You're not acting
5-star.
like
I'm sorry.
You're not looking 5-star, bro.
I'm getting you lunch, okay?
Give me lunch, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You put hot sauce.
I will get this garbage
You put
out of your way. I'm sorry.
hot sauce.
I'm sorry. I told you my cheese is sandwich. It's a 5-star. It's all good. What do you think?
It's kind of nice.
It's very good. Very
I
good.
ain't never had no raw grilled cheese, but just
Raw grilled cheese sandwiches are the best. You do not need to cook them. You don't need to grill them. They're already good.
see.
Yeah, so you see the perfect cheese, the perfect bread, make the perfect sandwich.
You alright, chef.
I can make it better. I can make it so much better.
It's fun with.
It is gonna be better. Hold up.
It's fun.
Hold up. I can make better. I make it better, okay?
You gonna cook it?
I am 5-star. 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 Chef,
You gonna cook it?
you see my hat?
You
Do you
gonna.
see my apron?
Yeah.
Do you see my hat?
I mean, you gonna cook it, right?
Huh?
You just gonna cook it.
Oh yes, I make it better.
Alright.
I am chef. This is my job. I will leave this here. I'll be right back.
No, but you gotta take so you can cook it.
I'll be right back. This right here.
No.
Make it better. This right here, it makes so much better. It goes, and it's all up in here. And it mixes well with the flavors very well. Yes. That is better. It is better. You need the spice in your life. Spice in life make it so much better. So much better. So much better. I leave it just in case you want some more, because that is not enough for me. If I was eating, that is not enough for me. But I like it.
Alright, chef, then eat it.
This is good. This is good. What do you mean? Oh, come on, try it.
No, I'm not pass.
You disrespect me in my kitchen.
Not even hungry anymore.
You disrespected me! in my kitchen. It's okay. There is still the dinner encores. If you do not like the dinner I prepare, I will leave. And that will be it.
And I won't pay you either.
That is fine. I shake on it. 5 stars. 5 stars. 5 stars.
Who you talking to?
5 stars. Okay. Here is a salad to start you off. Alright.
I need a utensil, boy.
You're right. 5 star. 5 star. 5 star. 5 star. I'll be right back.
Who you talking to?
I'll be right back. No, go me. I am 5 star. 5 star. Chef.
Can I get a
Chef Chile. No, you cannot touch it. You cannot touch it. Hold on. I get your fork. There's your fork.
You know what I mean? I used to be vegan. So I
Used to be vegan?
I fuck with this.
Oh, okay.
What is this?
Okay. Just taste first. It is a spinach salad.
Spinach salad.
Spinach salad, yes.
I fuck with spinach salad. I mean, I usually do a dressing.
Please eat.
No dressing?
Please taste it.
Oh, wait a minute. If you 5 star.
Just taste it. Taste it, please.
My boy, chef, my boy, chef, my boy.
Eat the leaf already? Alright. How's it taste? Is it too bland?
It's too bland.
It's too bland! It's too bland, don't worry!
Wait.
I fix it.
Wait.
I fix the salad, I fix it.
Now we add hot sauce.
I fix. This is not hot sauce.
Alright.
This is not hot sauce. This is not hot sauce.
Chef.
This is not hot sauce. What's going on?
Chef.
What's going on? What?
You really want me to eat?
I see what you mean. I see what you can you zoom in. I see what you were talking about. Zoom out. Get back camera guy. Alright. Look. When it ages, it gives it more flavor, more texture. Yes. What's up? Chile. Chile. Okay.
What?
You understand?
No.
Oh, wait. I got. You said dressing, alright? Dressing. The best dressing. Are you ready?
Hot sauce, of course.
6 stars. 6 stars.
Hot sauce.
6 stars. Yes. Hot sauce is the best dressing. It's the best sauce. It's the best sauce. Best sauce.
Wait.
Right there. Yes. Here's a fork.
Alright.
What's going on?
Honestly, I'm not even gonna.
More hot sauce.
Yeah.
Right?
More hot sauce.
More hot sauce, of course.
Hell yeah.
Of course. Wait. You hired me to do a job. You're obviously not satisfied. I can see it in your eyes.
I'm not satisfied.
So I will do for you what I've never done. I will let you sample my signature dish. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't fucking touch my peppers. Alright. Look, I'm gonna do one thing for you. I will show you my signature dish. And if you do not like my signature dish, I will leave. I will never come back. So Chile!
No.
5 stars.
No.
Will never come back.
If I don't like your signature dish, you take the apron off.
Okay.
And you fuck off, yeah?
Okay. That seems fair. It's right here. I just got it out of the oven. There you go. Please try 5 star. 5 star.
What is this?
It is my signature dish. Sauce hot.
Sauce hot?
Sauce hot.
You made that up?
Sauce hot. Signature dish. 5 star. 5 star.
Bro.
What? You messed up the art.
That's not art.
This is art.
It's trash. Like
Taste
you.
It. Taste it, please.
You fucking
Taste
trash.
it. Do not touch it. Thank you.
I'm not tasting
Taste.
that.
Taste.
I already know what that
Do
tastes
not
like.
put
It's
the taste.
freaking hot sauce.
Wait.
I'm not satisfied, bro.
I know what is wrong. I fix. 5 star. 5 star. 1 second. I have it here. It's fixed. 5 star. 5 star.
Yeah, you done, bro.
We're done.
You done.
You know what I like?
I know.
I know it must be done now.
Take your apron off.
I know it must be done.
Take your apron off.
I know it must be done.
Yeah, fuck off, yeah. Fuck off, yeah. Take it off, yeah. Take it off. Don't ever let me catch you out here in these streets cooking anything ever again. You understand?
I'm taking my hot sauce.
Take the shit. Get that out!
What did that?
Out, bro. Trash ass motherfucker. I'm never eating this cereal again, bro. You trash.
5 star. 5 star.
Negative.